Makuwete nyororo, nyundo na kufuri, gitutu kia MCA mathio nginyagia wabici-inĩ ya speaker wa Kiambu Stephen Ndisho, matongoretio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi Gideon Gachara. MCA aya maugite Ndisho arahingire cikaro cia mbunge o riri kuri na maundu matiganite magiriire guikarirwo thi ta mathire maria county iri namo maene kandarathi tiganite o undu mwe na ugai wa budget ya kuibaimbiria
yake ya watu 5 wa 6 wenye wamefanya wanaita mpaka ma contractor huko wanadanganya ati kulipwa analipwa, na saa hiyo speaker anajitengenezea jina ati ni ya governor. Hatuwezi kaa hivyo ati tunapigana na executive na assembly in expense na ka group wa watu wawili.
I say that what happened today is a bit unfortunate, but as the leader of majority, I will write to the speaker requesting him to convene a special sitting so that we can continue working for the Kiambu people. But in case he does not hit to a request, we are going to use whatever is within our power to make sure that we convene and we work for the people for the remaining period of time.
Handu-ini hake Ndisho augite bara iria arakorio yumanite na murugamo wake wa kuruta thirikari ya county mahitia makiria hari urihi wa mbeca cia ene kandarathi.
All the reason why this is happening are two issues. One, there is the thorny issue of paying bills in this county, which the contractors and suppliers came to the assembly 2 weeks ago seeking the intervention of the assembly to help them be paid. And these are people who did work here and supplied from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. They have not been paid.
Ndisho ateithirio ni afitha borithi kuma wabici-inĩ yake o nginyagia ngari-inĩ yake.
There was misunderstanding between the speaker and some few members of the assembly, but at length we have discussed and we have an agreement that they should stop this until further notice.
Riu bunge ya Kiambu ni hingitwo o nginya riria speaker angienda gwitana kana kugia na undu wa bata ungienda cikaro cia bunge. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo, Kinyugo Mwaura.